In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method, either a debit or credit card, to your Etsy account. This is super important because having an up-to-date payment method ensures that your purchases go smoothly every time. Let's dive right into the process, step by step, to get you set up in no time. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head on over to Etsy's website. This is the main hub for all your shopping needs on Etsy, where all the magic happens. Whether you're using your laptop or mobile device, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. If you're not, simply enter your login details. Once you're on the home page and signed in, take a moment to browse through the fantastic variety of items available until you find something you'd like to purchase. When you do, go ahead and click on Buy It Now, which should be visible on the item page. This initiates the checkout process and takes you closer to finalizing your order. Next up, you'll need to confirm or add your delivery address. This step is crucial as it ensures your chosen product arrives at the right location. If this is your first time purchasing, click to add a new address and make sure it's correct. You wouldn't want any delays because of a typo, right? Now, it's time to choose a payment method. You'll see several options here, but in today's guide, we're focusing on adding a credit or debit card. Click on the card option to proceed. This step prepares you to input your card details securely. It's a good idea to ensure your card is ready and within reach before starting this process. As you enter your card information, this includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV for security. The portal may also give you the option to save this card as your default payment method. Doing this saves you time in the future, making your next purchases a breeze. Finally, take a moment to review your order. Double check everything: the delivery address, payment method, and product details. This will ensure everything is as it should be, and you won't encounter any unexpected issues. Once you're satisfied with all the information, you can complete your purchase with confidence. And there you have it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Etsy account, making your shopping experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me in this instructional video. I hope you found it helpful, and happy shopping on Etsy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.